To DJH Prestige Sports, we've just acquired this really lovely, nice, low priced, price ranging Mercedes 220 AMG Sport convertible. Quite rare, great time of the year to have one. It's got full park distance control. This is a facelift model. Got the upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels, multi-spoke. The paintwork is like glass. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, it's got the AMG body styling kit, so you've got the larger rear diffuser at the rear, the twin exhaust, E220. As you can see, it's lovely condition. Side of the boot, still got quite a good area, but you can have more once the roof comes up, which I'll show you in a minute. It's also got a lot of extras on this, so you've got the electric memory seats, heated seats, air scarf, electric windows and mirrors. So it's just some 93,860 miles. I'll just start the car up. Sounds lovely and quiet. Auto headlights on the car as well. Paddle shift on the gearbox, all your computers here, both sides. So we've got different ways of driving it, dynamic, sport, comfort zone, everything like that. It's got full G-Tronic on it as well here. Got satellite navigation, DAB radio, media pack, Bluetooth streaming for phone and music. Finished in this beautiful wood veneer looking, lovely. Got electric mirrors and seats over there, and heated seats as well on the passenger side. There's probably lots of other extras I haven't said. It's in lovely condition. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.